Hi guys, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and in this video I will show you how to add geotags to your images. The easiest way is to use Google Photos. So the URL is photos.google.com and the URL is below the video. If you upload the image, I have already done it, and then click on the image, click on this eye information icon here. Here you will be able to add image title, and below you can add location. So click on where was this taken and enter your exact location. You can edit, you can add just a city, you can add your own area, you can add even a street, which is amazing. So Throld Road. Okay, it doesn't let me to add the street, but it lets me to add my location. Return Southampton, which is right here. And then just click on this. Sorry, my computer is ridiculously slow today and doesn't really work with me. I'm just uploading another video and obviously it doesn't like it. Okay, basically once you do it, obviously it doesn't work for me today. Once you do it, it should jump in automatically. Okay, which it should display in a second. It's on the slow side today, but I just wanted to get this video until the location jumps in or not. Let's try again. In Southampton, it worked better, and there should be a map displaying here. Nope, not yet. Okay, there we go. It is displaying right here. And then you can, so the geotag is added, and then you can download this image. So I use shortcut, it is downloading, and I'll show you how to recognize that the geotag is added to your image. So I'm going to open this image and I'm going to click, no, I'm not going to open this. I'm going to go to all of my file names and right click this image, get info, and there's a string of location information, which is fantastic. So that's how you add the geotags to your images.